Every time I do this, she walk in my video and talk about, are you video? And I'm videoing. Get away. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you are new here to my channel, welcome to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back to another video, baby. So I know you all read the title, so you want to know what's going to happen today. I'm going to be doing the African accent for this full video. No, I don't want anybody in the comments if I mess up and go to my Jamaican accent. I don't want nobody in the comments talking about you did not do the accent for the whole video. I'm Jamaican, okay? So I switch back to my Jamaican and the African. I don't even realize that I did that. But you get the gist. And also, if this video goes viral and any African see this, I am not disrespecting or anything. It's just content for my channel. So take it easy with me, okay? I'm doing this video all for fun, so you guys can laugh and kiki. The foundation I'm going to be using today is my NYX foundation. And this fits me very good. Some of you need a NYX in your life because you're walking around looking like Casper the Ghost. Why you do that? Don't do that. Get a NYX and get your match and get your life together. Stupid idiot bitch. It's like after 8 in the night and I'm here, African accent, I'm putting on makeup in front of my camera. Y'all thought I was not going to upload today, huh? Stupid. Looking around looking like a spy. With your neck, your face and your neck having 2 different colors. Why you do that? Why you do that? Why your face not matching your neck up? Now we're moving into concealer. Conceal with a concealer 2 shades lighter than your complexion. Stop going 5 shades lighter, looking like aliens parked their spaceship in your face. Stop it. It's not cute. You only over highlight if you can blend, and some of you cannot blend, so stop doing that. Getting shades 5 shades lighter than your skin and blend. The fuck? And this is not even that light. My camera be lying.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to.
You see this corner here? Go in there. Especially if you have a big nose like mine. Go in here and here. Because it doesn't look cute when your foundation stop there and nothing is there. Then you're going to blend. I got guns up in this bitch here. Don't sneak up on me. So I thought I heard a noise like a man coming to kill me, but it was just peasants. So you're going to go in with our beauty blender and we're going to blend for dear life. We're going to blend until our hands hurt. Okay? You need to look blended out here in the streets. I don't know if your friend's not telling you or your man or your mother, but somebody need to tell you, and I am your savior here today, telling you that you need to blend some more. Okay, you're gonna work your way from the end, blending, and then go in. So when I back, you guys can actually see the true color because my ring light is too bright right now. Okay, I want to look up and get here. Don't leave it out. Blend it as well. That's better. Meanwhile, you're blending, you're going to use the part that you use with your foundation and you're going to tap over the edges. Because we don't want to see the concealer stopping here and the foundation is here. That is also not cute.
You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between.
So after all that, the foundation and the concealer took out all the warmth inside of your face. So you want to go in and contour your face now to bring back the natural warmth into your face. Now, my contour stick is done, but it's not done. So I'm going to use my brush and go in because it's not done as yet. You got to done your things good and done it. You feel me? So I'm just going in to contour my face. So how am I doing? I'm doing a good job. Do I sound like an African? I could go in one of those tribes and nobody could sneak in and nobody would know that I'm not an African, right? You feel me? You don't know ya. Wait, is that African or is it British? You don't know ya. Shit, that's British. You contour up. I'm sure nobody cheekbone is down at the jaw. I don't know why you guys be contouring so far. Like, contour here, not here. What the fuck? Then you're gonna take a little. And if you have a nose like mine, you just want to contour it a little. Not a lot, because I embrace my big nose. I love my big nose. But just to look snatched on here. Just in case if I go viral and everybody see me, I should look like a snack. So, you're going to blend it out now. I'm going to use this brush to blend it out. I'm trying to get into using brushes more on my face because I normally just use my sponge, but the world is coming to an end, so I have to hurry up and try new things because soon we're all going to die. And I swear to God, New Year's Eve, I will not be jumping up and saying Happy New Year. I did that last year and look at this year. Not doing it. I won't be jumping and saying no Happy New Year. I'm just going to be sitting and wondering what this bitch is coming with now. What is this bitch coming with? 2021. Bitch, you better come good, or I swear to God, I'm packing my bags and I'm going back to 2019. I swear to God. Now we're going into our powder contour palette, because with every cream you use, you want to go over with a powder and set it. You don't want to leave it there because it will crease. I'm telling you. So we're going over with our powder contour and putting it over our cream contour. We're going to add some blush. I'm going into my Zulu by Juvia's palette. Y'all cannot see, whatever. I'm going to use the orange. This shit is so bright. I'm going to use the orange and the pink together to get my perfect blush for my melanin skin. I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. The shit went up into my nostril. Now I'm just going to do my lips, and my lips are very simple and basic. I'm just going to line my lips with my MAC eyebrow pencil in the color brown, and I'm then gonna add my lip gloss over it. So it's very simple and basic and easy. I just need to clear my head. I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like Then I'm going to add my lip gloss on top. A lot of lip gloss because I can't have the dry lips. Need it, and we may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us. I and we are done with our face and we're looking cute as usual. We always look cute over here. So this is it for my video. If you guys, I know you guys enjoyed this video, so just go ahead and like the video, and if you are not a subscriber, go ahead and subscribe, because I maintained the accent straight throughout this video. You're not going to tell me that I did not. I maintained the accent and I think I did very good. Okay, so go ahead and mash the like button and subscribe to my channel. Comment as well if you want to. Okay, I'm not gonna force you, even though I know you're gonna comment, because this video was the shit. So I'm not going to do any more talking right now, but just do the right thing you know you should do. And goodbye. I'm going away now. Goodbye. You took up all of my time. I forgot to say bye, babies. Bye, babies.